Umutirang kajalao konrad ke sangma hakap santarik jemang arjar arpuai ulalai banjurip ika Ganesh Das Hospital bat kare Provincial Chest Hospital hanong ba Shillong ban pej bnia ika jing patri kami ki oxygen plan ya kite ki oxygen generation plan hakini ki arli ki chaka ajing sumar labai tingka daga Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief Emergency Situation PM Care Fund ka oxygen plan ha Ganesh Das Hospital ka don South Spa LPM bat kanla ban kerjaan sabhut li ki jingthia ringkat ka high flow oxygen Kadba oxygen plan haka RP Chest Hospital kadon Lai Spa LPM bat kala ban kersian lai putli kijing tia rengkat ka high flow oxygen. Mintirang ba ulapun pau ba kacing sohon halor kacing ya syakmat kacing tray bat pandai iki oxygen plan hakini ki jaka ai jing suman.
So kita dah 400 means the amount is 40 plus okay high flow and 40 plus high flow.
We just visited Ganesh Das Hospital and today in the morning. And now we are here in the RP Chest Hospital. We have come to see the installation of the oxygen plants that have been sanctioned, and I'm very happy to see that both the plants are almost ready to be operational. We expect that Ganesh Das should be operational in the next 24 hours, and in the next 48 hours we expect the RP Chest Hospital oxygen plant to be up and running. Similarly, there are many other plants that have been sanctioned throughout the state. We're keeping a close watch to ensure that these are completed before time, as the situation requires that we have all our infrastructure ready and in place in any eventuality. At the same time, I also had a small meeting and discussion with the doctors, both at Ganesh Das and here. And so we are looking at all the issues that are concerning the hospital out here. And at the same time, I thanked all of them for all the work that they're doing. Especially again, I would like to thank the doctors here and all over the state, all the frontline workers, all the doctors, nurses and medical staff that have been working tirelessly to ensure that all the frontline workers, all the doctors, nurses and medical staff that have been working tirelessly to ensure that all the service possible is and care and possible is being provided to our people.